Well, I'm back again. This is my third night with this Z-trap. I've caught 2 skunks. I'm gonna set it tonight and see what we can catch. If you've been watching my videos, you know I've got plenty of animals coming up here and eating my cat food. So, hey, if you hadn't seen my other videos, I'm gonna put a link down in the description. I'm gonna put an end screen you can click on. But hey, let me quickly show you how to set this thing in case you didn't see already. All right, all you do is you pull this lock up. This is a lock, so when he's caught, he can't lift the door. So you lift the lock, pull the door up. You got a bolt sticking out right here. You just put the edge of the bolt right on that trigger lever. And when he goes in and he hits that trigger inside, the door slams. Another thing I really like about this trap is this rear door. You can just pull this cotter key, pull this pin, the door just comes off, and it's easy to put your bait back there, or you can take it off and release the animal real easily. Well, they've been eating my cat food, so I'm just gonna take this door off, put some cat food in the back, put a little down through the tube to kind of coax them in, and hey, we're gonna see if we can catch some kind of critter tonight. Stay with me. Well, guys, about all I can say is this 8-inch Z-trap Skunk-N-More is one awesome trap. This is 3 nights in a row if you've been watching my videos, and 3 critters. Today I got a possum. If you notice the other 2 videos, I actually caught a skunk and I released him to the wild, and that's what we're going to do with this one. We're going to take him out and release him in the wild. But hey, if you want to see the unboxing of this trap, if you're thinking about buying it, I'm going to put an end screen link at the end. I even put it down in the description so you can click on that. So, hey, let's go release him. Well, if y'all been watching my videos, you know this is the 3rd day in a row I've been here releasing something. First 2 days was a skunk, and today's a possum. So, hey, it's a nice little lake out here, plenty of food and water. So, hey, let's go turn him loose. That's what I like about this trap here. You're able to pull this back door off and release them real easy. All right, take off, possum. Take off. I wouldn't be doing this if it was a skunk. And there he goes. He's all free. Well, guys, if you are thinking about buying a trap, I highly recommend this Z-trap 8-inch. Skunks can't spray because they can't raise their tail. They'll catch possums, and I'm sure they'll catch a cat. It's easy to release them. So, hey, you can tell I've got more critters. So hit that subscribe button and smash that bell notification. That way you'll be notified when I post other videos. So, hey, if you enjoyed that, please give me a thumbs up. Till next time, I will catch you later.